journey with SP? What happened when you started taking the course, and how did you feel about it?
For me, it was in the beginning, it was very difficult because it was very hard to um, give confidence to the superconscious mind. And I always was analytical, in control, and just to ask for things to be done and expect that they will just solve by themselves. It was very difficult. It took me I would say a few months to really work on myself and work with other people and see that just letting go, it was working. And now if I try to do things differently, I have really a lot of difficulty because I have such a deep trust in superconscious mind, and I directly ask superconscious mind. It's difficult to do things differently. Also
Yeah,
because I can ask anything. I mean, there is no limit, and I know that I will have the answer, and I know that things will be how can I say it, set and done thanks to the superconscious mind.
yeah. How about you, Ludwig?
It was
Mr. Esdale.
what?
See, Mr.
Mr.
Isdale.
Esdale.
It was different. So there was several phases for me. The first phase, it was incredible. It was nearly miraculous for me. Uh, Everything went smoothly. And then I was trying to thinking about the process, to doubt about different things. Uh, you know, it was like, okay, it worked great for several months, but right now, if I think about it, uh, I wanted to compare it to several tools, and at that moment, I began to have some issue, some issue in my session. I had difficulties to to resolve, even even I would like to say an easy issue about for a client. But one day I remember it. It was the Wednesday morning. I was thinking I was tired of my way of thinking. So I told myself, okay, you know what? Let go, let go everything. I don't need to understand anything. I don't need to control anything. Just let go. And after that, it was not the day after that. It was just the client after that. It was amazing. It worked great, more than great. Uh, like like at the beginning when I didn't try to understand how to control, and
Control
that's
is bad. Yeah.
I think that was the thing for me, the to understand that sometimes I need to close my mouth. I need to yeah, to let it go. I don't need to do anything. That's not me that
Mm.
that needs to do the thing, you know?
I
I
know.
understand.
Sort of freeing. It's freeing, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Very freeing. I wouldn't know how to do it now. I used to do Omni. I used to do everything, but I do this and I
Yeah.
don't even think about it now.
And that's a fun thing because um, it can seems to be, you know, flashy to talk about that, but sometimes I can't remember how I did the things before SP because it's so simple. I forgot a lot of things the way how I did it before, you know.
Yeah. I know. It's incredible. It really is so simple that I don't know how to do anything else anymore because I've done it for 20 years.
Because you don't plan anything. It's
Mhm.
sometimes I think, okay, this case, the result came up. What did I do? And I don't know how or how the things happened or what I did, because it's just flows and things happen.
That's right. Very good.